हाय डीएनएस एस्पिरेंट्स, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट 7 मैरीटाइम ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट और आज इसके बारे में पूरी जानकारी पाते हैं। बट बिफोर टॉकिंग अबाउट सिमटी, 7 मैरीटाइम ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट को प्यार से सिमटी कहा जाता है। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट 7 शिपिंग कंपनी। तो 7 शिपिंग कंपनी जो है, इट्स अ ओनरशिप कंपनी, इंडियन कंपनी। इनके पास 24 शिप्स हैं। 19 ऑल प्रोडक्ट टैंकर्स, 3 क्रूड टैंकर्स, 2 एलपीजी कैरियर्स, इनके अपने पास शिप्स हैं। एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस दे हैव स्टार्टेड दिस ओन कॉलेज, जो कि खोपोली में भी रिसेंटली वहाँ पर जाके मैं सेमिनार भी करके आया था, वहाँ पर बच्चों से मिल के आया था और बात भी करी थी। सो लेट जस्ट मूव अहेड। सो यहाँ पर बैच साइज डीएनएस का 80 स्टूडेंट्स का है। प्री सी ट्रेनिंग इज 12 मंथ्स, आफ्टर दैट यू गो ऑन बोर्ड शिप फॉर 18 मंथ्स। फीस इज 6,50,000। कमेंसमेंट इज 1 अगस्त 2023, जो नॉर्मल रहता है। एप्लीकेशन डेडलाइन इज क्लोज। ये हमने स्क्रीनशॉट है, वी हैव टेकन आउट द वेबसाइट। नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज कि 7 में, as far as I know, they have got their own shipping company. So those guys who are going over there, one is you go over there. Other is they have done an MOU with C-SPAN. So C-SPAN is coming over there and it will be taking candidates from over here as well. Apart from that, what I have heard when I was interviewing the people of 7 Islands, that even what you say, a company like V-Ships is also coming over there and they are trying to tie up with other shipping companies as well. So let's see what happens. आगे बढ़ते हैं। एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया, एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन, पास, अगर 12th पास हैं आप लोग तो पास इन 12th स्टैंडर्ड इक्विवेलेंट एग्जामिनेशन विद फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ्स एंड इंग्लिश एज सेपरेट सब्जेक्ट विद पीसीएम में नॉट लेस देन 60%। अलॉन्ग विद दैट इंग्लिश में इन 10th और 12th नॉट लेस देन 50%। 10th एंड 12th बोर्ड शुड बी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बोर्ड। कॉपीड। आगे बढ़ते हैं। इफ यू आर डूइंग इट आफ्टर बीएससी, देन बीएससी इन फिजिक्स, मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स विद फिजिक्स एज इंडिविजुअल सब्जेक्ट इन वन ऑफ द ईयर। तो इट शुड बी बीएससी इन फिजिक्स और बीएससी इन मैथ्स और बीएससी इन केमिस्ट्री और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, but it should have physics as an individual subject in one of the years with an average of not less than 55% of marks in the final year. This is first requirement. ये IMCT की requirement भी है। Second is in 10th or 12th minimum 50% marks, again IMCT requirement. The candidate must have passed the 10th standard, 12th standard and obtained degree from a recognized board or any university. Copied guys. आगे बढ़ते हैं। Academic qualification, अगर आप BE, BTech, now I have rarely seen someone with BE, BTech going for DNS degree. They can go for GME or something like that. Neither do I recommend, but still, if you have got a BE, BTech degree from IIT or from a college recognized by AICT with an average of not less than 50% marks in the final year, again 50% marks in English in 10th or 12th standard, degree in course conducted by recognized government or university. Copied guys. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So this is the qualification. The first two are very common. The last one after BE, BTech is really not done. Points to be noted. Selection of the candidate subjective to clearing the IMCT exam. तो पहले आपको IMCT का exam clear करना है. For that, you can find the forms at www.imu.in. 2 batches are conducted in a year, commencing on February and August every year. But right now, the IMCT exam is conducted only in June. Copied guy? So for August, they are preparing. आगे बढ़ते हैं. 5% relaxation has been given for PCM for candidates belonging to SC/ST category. So now, since SIMT has got just one batch of 80 students, so generally they take all the students in the August itself. So I do not know right now, I am not very sure whether they are running the February batch or not. Copied. Next thing. Eyesight, normal color vision shall be tested by Shiara test chart. No color blindness. Eyesight can be 6/6 in both eyes or 6/6 in one eye or 6/9 in the other eye. Copied. How to apply? Apply online at simtinstitute.org for the course you want to join. Pay the examination fees. You shall receive an email invite to appear for a personal interview at either Mumbai, or the details of the venue will be sent by email. First you clear their online test, then they call you for the interview to Mumbai. You clear the interview along with the psychometric test. Jai Mata Di, done. Then you go for the medical test from the DG approved doctor by a company appointed doctor. Then a merit list is prepared depending on your academic scores, interview scores and medical examination results. Candidates who make it to the merit list shall be asked to pay a booking amount to reserve their seat. They will also ask to send necessary documents to the admission team. After receiving the booking amount, the candidates will be issued with a sponsorship letter on the basis of which they can avail loans with any nationalized bank. Copied guys. For any information, for any guidance, you can join Telegram group IMUCT Decoded. As of now, if you want more information, go to the college portal on Merchant Navy Decoded website. You go over there. You go to the college portal, you see IMUCT and DNS, you click over here. When you click over, you'll find a lot of colleges, and down below you'll find another college, that is SIMT, that is 7 Maritime Training Institute. When you click over there, you'll find everything, overview of the college, of the company, eligibility criteria, how to apply, syllabus, MTI piece, everything. You'll get the details, and also you can find reviews over here. So what is important is how is the placement, waiting period, training and well-being. So I hope by the time you guys watch these videos, more reviews have come over here. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel Merchant Navy Decoded and follow me on Instagram at Chief Engineer Praneeth. For any query, please mail us at teammerchantnavydecoded@gmail.com. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.